Hello everyone. Today we are going to study about thermal expansion and thermal contraction. Dear students, what is the thermal expansion and thermal contraction? The any matter when increases its size or heating, this is called thermal expansion, and any matter which get decrease its size on cooling, this is called thermal contraction. Here is the students of your class Aztec, which name is
State IT school.
he is the students of Aztec IT school and of 5th standard.
Yes, sir.
What is your name here?
Prince Vishnu.
Prince Vishnu. Today we are going to perform a small activity to understand the concept behind this thermal expansion and thermal contraction. And for this activity, we take a simple tub which is empty, and we take a bottle, waste bottle which generally used in our houses. This is, you can see this bottle calling is an empty bottle. And firstly, we squeeze the balloon like this to empty all what air which present in the balloon, and fix this balloon on the mouth of this bottle like this. You can see the balloon is completely squeezed. If we heated the air which present in the bottle, so that air expand on heating. So this phenomena called thermal expansion. When the air get expand, so that increased air move inside the balloon and our balloon get inflated, okay, swollen. And when we pour some cold water, then the size of air which present in it decreases. So that's why balloon get shrink. When we pour some hot water, the size of balloon increases. And when we pour some cold water, the size of balloon get decreases. So the size of air increases called thermal expansion, and the size of balloon get shrink. This is called thermal contraction on cooling. Okay. So we have in this bottle hot water, and see what happened when we pour this hot water. You will see what happened with the balloon after pouring some cold water, hot water. Please pour some hot water. One minute. Okay, you can see the size of balloon is get increases. On heating, the air which present in the bottle get expand, and excess air move inside the balloon and balloon gets swollen. So dear students, this phenomenon called thermal expansion. Let's see what happened with the size of balloon on pouring cold water. Please pour some cold water. Slowly, madam. Okay. Thank you. Okay, you can see the balloon is get completely shrinked. It become flat. This phenomena called thermal contraction. On pouring ice cold water over the bottle, the air which present inside get contract. That's why its volume become decreases, and all the air which present in balloon move inside the bottle, and our balloon is squeezed, shrinked. Okay, this phenomena called thermal
contraction.
Sabas, very good. Let's see what happens with our shrink balloon if we again pour some hot water. Please pour some hot water. Slowly. Okay, stop. Again swell. This is called thermal expansion. What happened actually thermal expansion? Thermal expansion, the heat increases the volume of air present in it, and excess air moves inside the balloon gets swollen. And let's see again what happened when we pour some cold water, pour some ice cold water. Okay, thank you. It gets shrinked. You can see it gets shrinked. Okay. Again I pour some hot water. Slowly. It gets swollen. You can see very well. Swollen very well. Okay. And when I pour some it gets rigged.